Hi, welcome back to Sun's Arts. In today's video, we are going to repurpose one of my old artwork that is a wall hanging, and I got this done like a couple of years back, inspired by one of the videos. And I had got this like charger kind of a plate, like it's got like metallic silver kind of look, and I stuck the mirror, and then the center of the mirror I had the flower vase attached to it, and the flower vase for some reason was falling off. I was thinking like maybe I would give a new look to it. So I went ahead and bought certain mirror flowers from Dollar Tree, and then some of the feathers, mirror feathers, and I had some butterfly that I had from my previous project. So I'm going to repurpose all of these products, I'm trying to give a new look to this art. So I'm going to use the mirror flowers and the mirror feathers that I got from Dollar Tree, and also one of the butterflies from my previous project. And I'm going to use a good amount of glue gun, glue sticks. I have got a bunch of glue sticks and glue gun. So I'm going to give it a new look, and I'll come back. And this is just a small bonus project. I thought like I will make with the leftover, the mirror stickers that I used for the previous project. The back of the sticker, I thought like it's got like nice shape, flower shape. So I thought like I'll make a flower with that. So it's kind of torn here. So I was thinking, maybe I can stick it like this to give a look of a flower. I just smeared some, the glue, the leftover glue that I from the glitter glue from my previous project. So I was thinking I'll stick these flowers like this, make it smaller. I'm making like a 4-petal flower. How about that? Like that. I'm thinking to stick. I'm kind of a zero waste project making person, so I believe in like, nothing should go waste and everything would be useful at some part of the other. So that's my motto, and I just, did this to circle, to give that flower effect, turned with the pencil. Okay, there you go. Looks like it needs a little more glue. And I'm going to attach the bottom like that. I didn't feel like throwing this out because it's got nice shape already pre-cut. So I want to use that. Needs more glue. Like that. And the trim of the ribbon for the glitter candles that I made. So I'm using that as the stamens for the flowers. So what I did was I just, had the edge, the shiny edge like this. And then I was making, circles with that. Just like that. Make it tight. I'm going to stick it in the middle to give the stamens effect. So there you go. It's like nice flower. Maybe I'll smear some more glitter glue on it to give the nice color. And this is the flower that we got from our waste products. I hope you like it. Thanks. Hey guys, this is the final look of the peel off from the mirror flowers, that the leftovers from that project. So I thought I would give a flower shape. Remember, we was just showing the early intro about that. So I just completed this with all the embellishments. I put like glitter glue, like a lines, and then the center I stuck two of the gemstones, white and also the green. And this is the smaller flower of the same. So I kind of like these flowers. I'm going to stick it to one of my projects. I'll see like where it goes. And there you have it, you guys. I just stuck all the flowers that I showed you, the mirror flowers, and the feathers stuck to the platter. And in the center where I said the octagon mirror was stuck, I just stuck the butterfly and just embellished the butterfly with little gemstones that I had left over from previous projects. And it also has the tag, the lace, silver lace tag from earlier, and I'm going to hang it on the wall, and I'm going to show how the final look it will be. And I think I like the look of it, and I'm going to hang and show you how it's going to look. If you like to see more projects like this, please tune to my channel, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and like my videos as well. Thank you, and see you in the next video.